you. It's stuck on me like a tattoo.